Another little trick when using rabbit mesh, if you find it's bent and got bellies in it along the bottom edge, get an old axe handle or something similar to it and put 1 foot either side and just tap the mesh and put a kink in it as you go along between posts. Okay, so the mesh is now sitting down on the ground, and I'll show you something else with staples. Or another trick for rabbit mesh, if you've got it going downhill from a flat, you've got to cut the bottom of the wire and overlap them so that at a post, so that the top of the wire has just got a kink or something in it, and then cut and overlap the wires and staple it onto the post. Okay, and this post of course is the other way, so therefore it has no cut at the bottom, yet it overlaps at the top of the post or the top of the wire. Okay, stapled onto the post again after you've strained the mesh a little bit to pull it straight and tight. And of course, if you're putting the rabbit mesh down where there's leaf litter and sticks and stuff, you've got to get there and rake off the leaf litter so you've got a smooth, even surface for about 2 rake widths away from the fence, so that when you put the mesh down, and you can rake the rubbish back over the fence, over the rabbit mesh, to stop the rabbits finding the edge. See ya. Of course, it also might be necessary to whipper snip the grass down or the weeds down to get a flat surface